guys, it's Khristina from Redefine Creative, and I am here to do an unboxing video. And this is for the Stargazer collection from Paper House Productions, and this is their subscription box. So the ladies over there at Paper House asked me to kind of share with you the things that come in their subscription box. So this particular box is $29.99 for the month, and so let's dig in. All right, so very first thing, it does come with a coupon code that you can use in the Paper House store for 40% off. And so that code is on here. So this does come in your box if you want to purchase other things from Paper House, which is kind of cool. All right, so in my box, or in this subscription box, you would receive this stickers to go, and it's 4 feet of stickers. And it comes in this cute little, like, to-go Chinese food container. And it's a whole huge strip of all kinds of little icons and stickers. And there is a lot, you guys. 4 feet is a lot. These are, let me see. These are white based. They're not really cardstock weight, but they do have the white border around them. So they are going to show up. They're not going to be clear stickers. And like I said, you have 4 feet of them with all of these different little icons and this cute little container. So that's super fun. All right, you are also getting a pack of 2 washi, and these are the Stargazer washi. So this one is like a gold foil kind of design to it. And then this one is the little like bluish color, bluish purple moons. This is the one that I use in my Stargazer planner. Perfect. All right, you have 2 sets of the Faux Enamel stickers. So this one has 31 pieces, and this is all of the gemstones. And then this one has 11 pieces, and these are kind of all the constellations and things. They both have that gold foiling on them, which is like this faux enamel look. So it looks like an enamel pin, kind of. So it's got the gold foil edging around it, and these are not see-through either. So these are going to show up on whatever kind of layout or project you want to put them on. All right, then you also have the 2 different sets of cardstock stickers that go with the Stargazer collection. So this one has phrases like dream big, believe, follow your dreams, stars shine for you. I had a video up recently using these. And then this one as well has some more phrases, stars, some extra like animal icons and things. So both sets of those stickers. And then we have some of the pattern paper from Stargazer as well. So this one, it has some really pretty gold foil detail, the gemstones on the back. Then we also have that triangle paper. This one is another one that I used recently where I fussy cut around all of these kind of triangles. And then the back was the quote that I used on my layout, the best dreams happen when you are awake. All right, we also have the border strips paper. This also has those gold foil details, so you can definitely cut all of these apart. And then the giant gemstones on the back. The cut apart sheet, which is going to give you 3x4s and then a couple of 4x6s, and also with that really gorgeous foil detail. I love this card right here, so I'm so happy to have another one of those to play with. And it has this really gorgeous kind of aquamarine blue geode on the back, which would look super cool for like beach or pool or anything like that. All right, there is the splatter paper. So it's got the gold foil splatters over the top of kind of the pinks and purple and blue splatters underneath. And then the back is like this celestial type of pattern. So it's got the pinks and the purples and then the real dark color with that star pattern. And then last but not least, here's this gold foil one. This is the one that I played with and used as a background on my layout recently. So you can go back and check that out if you want to check out that video. And then we have kind of like this is like a galaxy print, but this reminds me more of like a paint pour type of print. So kind of combining those 2 looks together, which is super cool. So that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 12x12s that come in this subscription box. And then underneath all of that, which I think is super cool, and I didn't even know that they did this, you guys, there is a packet of just like fun little extras from Paper House Productions for you to kind of try out and play with different different brands and different lines and see if there's other things that you can kind of incorporate with your stash and have some fun with. So I have a peace sign here, kind of rainbow tie-dye magnet, which is really fun. My kids are totally going to steal that, by the way. There is a magnetic, like a bookmark for a planner or a book or anything like that. And this is from that Stargazer collection. So mine says Shine Bright. Super cute. All right, I also have from Life Organized. These are 52 pieces of kind of like epoxy stickers almost. So they are clear, so they are going to pick up the background color. But great little icons like flowers and arrows, some stars. Super cute. All right, then I also have the sticker book of labels that kind of, I think these go with the same collection, the same colors. And there's 32 pieces in here. And so these are also really great for a planner or for like if you're doing a mini album or traveler's notebook or even scrapbook layouts. To add some journaling or build your embellishment clusters. And this, it repeats. So there's 4 sheets of all of these labels that have that gold foil detailing on them as well. Can't wait to play with those. And then we have a bunch of pattern paper. So this one is from the color, I think all of this is from Colorways, which is like a monochromatic. So this is the black and white. And so if you know me, you know that I love black and white with pops of color. So these are going to be perfect to be cut apart and mixed with some bright colors in my stash. And then the back is kind of the sketchy feathers pattern. We also have this one, which is just a bunch of different circles, but they're in shades of grays and blacks, which is super fun. This would be really fun for us, like a city layout, like New York City or Chicago or something like that. And some more really fun black and white borders. And I love paper like this because it's going to save me from cutting up a whole ton of sheets of paper if I want to create a bunch of layers or like strips across the page. So I am super excited to play with this one. I love this numbers. This combined with that pattern on the back would look really cool. And then get some bright color in there. All right, there is a black with white polka dot. And then on the back is a cut apart. So these are all 3x4s, but look how fun these patterns are. Like look at this with the treetops. The close-up of the rose and some funky hearts, the arrows. These would be really cute. I totally want to make like a really bright, fun city layout. All right, these are also colorways, and these are the purples. So I have kind of a geometric pattern on this side, and then this really cool kind of sunrise or sunset over the water look, which is really pretty. Then I have one that is like a distressed linen. So it has a linen type of texture look to it. It's not actually textured, but it has that look. And then the ombre with the colors of purple. And then the back is this kind of cool like bohemian print, but it's really close up in the picture. So it looks really, really fun. This would be really cute for a beach layout. All right, and then we've got a distressed horizontal stripe in that same purple. And then the back is some cut aparts. And this time there's a bunch of different sizes. So these look like they're about, I would say 2x2, 6, 10, yeah, 2x2s. And then you've got some 4x6s, both vertical and horizontal, which would be really fun. This skyline, or this sky one is really cute. And so is the circle. And then some floral. This you could totally fussy cut if you wanted to. So super cute. So I love that they include this like bonus pack in the back where you can kind of try out some things that you might not have picked up for yourself, or that you've wanted to just kind of sample but didn't want to have to buy a whole bunch of a line, which is me all the time. I love little samples of things I can mix in with my stash. So that is so cool that they include that in the bottom of your subscription box. And then you have all of the pattern papers from Stargazer, the 2 colored cardstock sheets, the 2 sets of enamel stickers, the 2 sizes of washi tape, and that really cute Chinese food takeout box of stickers to go, which is 4 feet of little stickers. And that is going to be the subscription box. So I will put a link down below if you want to stop by and check out the subscription box. Like I said, it is $29.99. And you can use my design team code anytime at Paper House Productions, which will give you 20% off. And I will be back playing with all these goodies very soon. Bye, guys.